Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we will be doing plus 3's big friends formulas homework solution, okay? Where I am going to apply the plus 3's big friends, where I won't be able to do plus 3 and small friends of plus 3. That time I will apply plus 3's big friends. Let's see. Plus 4 plus 3. See, here plus 3 I can do small friends. What is the small friends of plus 3 formula? Plus 5 minus 2. Now again 3. I am stuck. And can I do the small friends formula now? What is my small friends formula of 3? Plus 5 minus 2. See, 5 is already added here, no? How can I do plus 5 now? But ma'am, you can do plus minus 2. In the plus 3 small friends formula, plus 5 minus 2 we have. You cannot do plus 5, but you can do minus 2. But we can't do like that. We can't apply half of the formula and move on. We have to get a formula in which we are able to do everything. So here I am stuck and I can't do small friends. So my big friends formula for 3 is plus 10 minus 7. My answer is 10. Next, 9 minus 2 plus 3. Again, no beats for 3, no small friends. So big friends formula plus 10 minus 7. My answer is 10. Next, 7 plus 3. Again, no beats. No beats for 3, no small friends formula of 3. So big friends plus 10 minus 7. And then plus 2. My answer is 12. Next, 5 plus 3. Again 3. No beats for 3. I can't do small friends also. So big friends formula of 3. What I've written here plus 10 minus 7. My answer is 11. The first question was the perfect example of where you can do small friends and big friends. Okay. Now 6 plus 3. Again 3. No beats for 3. So formula of 3 plus 10 minus 7. My answer is 12. Now, though the question is finished here, if they would say that in this 12 add a 3, so what will you do? Ma'am, you told plus 10 minus 7. But ma'am, no beats for minus 7. Why we will do plus 10 minus 7 here? What did I tell you? Where do you apply this formula? Where I don't have enough beats for 3 and I can't do small friends. But if the question would say plus 3 here, I can do small friends. That is plus 5 minus 2. Understood? So you have to see and practice. That's when you will know that which formula to apply there, right? Now, I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.